Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain, the place where you can relax, listen, and grow your English step by step.
Hi, friends. Today we have a warm, simple story lesson. It's about a family trip, a busy morning, and an airport adventure.
And it's also about a feeling many people know.
That feeling of stress when you are late. Your heart is fast. Your mind is loud.
If you feel nervous in English, this lesson will help you too.
Because when you are nervous, your English disappears. You forget words. You forget easy grammar.
Today, we will do something simple.
We will use a story to train calm listening, easy speaking, and daily phrases you can reuse.
In a minute, we'll share a simple trick that can change how you feel about English listening.
And we will also do 3 short micro-challenges so you can speak a little, not only listen.
Let's begin with the trick.
The trick is this. Don't try to catch every word. Catch the situation. Catch the big picture.
Ask yourself, where are they? What is the problem? What is the goal?
When you understand the big picture, you feel safe. And when you feel safe, you learn faster.
Okay, now let's enter the story.
It is early morning. A family is at home, and suddenly, they realize they are late.
Speaker 1 is the mom, speaker 2 is the dad, and we will also include the kids' lines, but still only 2 speakers today.
Yes, we will change our voices a little, but we will stay speaker 1 and speaker 2.
Oh no, it's 7:30, we're late. David, wake up, we overslept.
What time is it? Wait, 7:30? Our flight is at 10.
Yes, 10 o'clock, we need to move. Anna, Peter, wake up, time to go.
Ugh, Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys?
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
Okay, I'm up. Where's my yellow jacket?
In your drawer. And Peter, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer, your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Now listen to the words in this part. Wake up, time to go, we're late.
These are very useful daily phrases. Short, clear, very common.
Let's repeat them naturally inside the story.
Yes, because repetition helps your English brain.
Wake up, time to go, we're late.
Wake up, time to go, we're late.
Good. Now the parents start doing a checklist.
Because travel needs organization.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks? Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us, of course. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat.
Only that? What about clothes?
Oh, right, clothes too.
He's planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair.
You look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, but still, comb time.
Okay, checklist time. Passports?
Check. Tickets?
Check. Snacks?
Check. Chargers?
Double check.
We're ready. Wait, my monkey toy, where is it?
On the couch. Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight.
This part has another strong learning point.
Yes, everyday travel vocabulary. Passports, tickets, boarding pass, gate, terminal.
We'll learn those words slowly in the story.
And you'll hear them many times so they become familiar.
The taxi arrives.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 3.
All right. Hop in. Seatbelts on, everyone.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before.
Really? This is your first flight?
Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now. Wait until we're in the sky.
Now there is traffic.
Oh no, traffic. Please move. Cars, please move.
Relax, we have time. The airport isn't far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a sloth, and I want to see a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You? No phone? Impossible.
Okay, maybe one phone for pictures and ice cream. We must eat ice cream there.
Deal. Ice cream every day. You're going to love it there.
Costa Rica is amazing. So green and full of life.
Notice the future language here. We're going to. You're going to.
This is perfect A2 B1 future talk for plans and predictions.
Micro challenge number 1.
Now you try. Say one sentence, I'm going to, about your plan for tomorrow.
Keep it simple. I'm going to work. I'm going to study. I'm going to rest.
Say it once, then say it again.
Great. Back to the taxi.
The parents remember something important. Mosquito spray.
Just don't forget mosquito spray.
Oh no, did we pack the spray?
Maybe?
Maybe. I'll buy one at the airport. Don't worry.
Okay, but no maybe for the passports, please.
Don't worry. I've got them right here.
Finally, they arrive.
Here we are, Terminal 3.
Thank you.
Have a great trip.
We will. Okay, explorers, let's find our gate.
And maybe a snack, and maybe a souvenir.
And maybe we'll actually make it on time.
Let's go before we have another maybe.
Now they enter the airport. It's busy.
Wow, look at all these people. Airports are always busy in the morning.
It feels like a big mall.
I see airplanes, real ones.
Yes, that's where we're going soon. But first, check-in time.
Let's find the airline counter.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
It means we give our passports and tickets to the airline, and they give us boarding passes.
Then we go through security.
What's security?
People check your bags to make sure there's nothing dangerous.
Okay, no toy swords today.
I have a toy car.
That's fine. Cars are safe.
Now the worker asks a normal airport question.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We're flying to San Jose, Costa Rica.
Great. May I have your passports, please?
Here you go. 4 passports.
Thank you. Any checked luggage?
Yes, these 2 big suitcases.
Please place them on the scale.
This one might be over the limit.
Let's see. It's fine. Here are your boarding passes. Gate 22, boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you so much.
Mom, what's a boarding pass?
It's a small paper or card. It shows your seat and your gate number.
Oh, like a ticket to the sky.
Yes, exactly.
Mine says window seat. What's that?
It means you sit by the window and you can see the clouds.
Yes, I want to see the clouds.
Now security time.
Oh no, look at this line.
Don't worry, it moves fast.
Why do we take off our shoes?
For security, they check everything carefully.
Even shoes.
Now let's focus on 2 useful phrases from security. Please remove and safety first.
Please remove any metal items. Safety first.
Micro challenge number 2.
Now you try. Say one polite sentence starting with please.
For example, please wait here. Please sit down. Please help me.
Keep it short and clear.
Great. After security, they finally sit down.
Coffee time? Definitely. I'll get coffee. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich, please. French fries.
Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
These fries are so good.
Careful, don't spill them.
Too late. Vacation mode already. Now they talk more about Costa Rica.
Mom, what's Costa Rica like?
It's warm, green, and full of nature. Rainforests, beaches, animals everywhere.
Do they have monkeys there?
Yes, lots of monkeys and colorful birds too.
Can we swim every day?
Every single day if you want.
I just hope we didn't forget anything important.
Wait, sunscreen. Did we pack it?
Uh-oh. I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Oh no, we'll burn under the tropical sun.
Don't worry, we'll buy some after we land.
You always say that.
And it always works out.
Now the announcement comes.
Attention passengers flying to San Jose. Boarding will begin at gate 22 in 10 minutes.
That's us. Time to go.
Yay! We're going to Costa Rica.
Wait, no running. We'll get there on time.
Passports and boarding passes ready?
Check.
Check.
All right, Team Costa Rica. Let's fly.
Next stop, adventure.
They get on the plane. They sit down.
Seatbelts on, ready for takeoff.
I can see the wing.
Me too. It's so big.
Good morning, everyone. Please keep your seatbelts fastened.
Whoa, we're going fast.
Hold on, we're lifting off. Look, the ground is getting smaller.
And now we're in the clouds.
The kids are doing great.
Yes, curious, not scared.
A flight attendant offers drinks.
Would you like something to drink?
Orange juice for the kids. Coffee for us.
Maybe a small pack of cookies too.
These cookies are so tiny.
Airplane snacks are always small, but fun.
Then something happens. A little turbulence.
What was that?
Just a little turbulence, like driving on a bumpy road.
Oh, then we're okay.
It feels like a roller coaster.
Exactly.
Now, this is a good moment for mindset.
Yes, because turbulence feels like fear, and English fear feels similar.
Sometimes English feels bumpy. You don't understand. You feel lost.
But it does not mean you are failing. It means you are in learning mode.
When the plane is bumpy, you breathe and you stay seated.
When English is bumpy, you breathe and you stay with the lesson.
You don't quit after one hard minute.
You continue step by step and you become stronger.
Now, the plane is landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly in San Jose. Please fasten your seatbelts.
We're almost there.
Finally! I can't wait to see the monkeys.
First, we check the luggage.
We did it. We didn't crash.
That's not something you say out loud.
But yes, we did it.
Now they look for a driver with a sign.
Look, that man has a sign with letters.
Davis family. That's not us.
Wait, what about this one? Emmy Watson.
Oh, no, close. My name is Emma, not Emmy.
Hello, are you the Emmy Watson family?
Almost. It's Emma, but yes, that's us.
Sorry, my mistake. Welcome to Costa Rica.
That man wrote your name wrong, Mom.
That's okay. Now we have a funny story.
They go outside. They feel the warm air.
Feel that air. It's warm and soft.
It smells like flowers.
I hear birds. Are those parrots?
Maybe. We'll find out soon. Welcome to Costa Rica, my friends.
Hotel Blue Horizon, right?
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
I can't wait to swim and see the rainforest.
One adventure at a time. Let's get to the hotel first.
After all that flying, I just want a bed.
We made it.
We sure did. Costa Rica, our new adventure.
Beautiful. Now, let's do micro challenge number 3.
This one is simple and fun. Say one travel sentence about your dream trip. Start with, I want to.
For example, I want to visit Japan, or I want to see monkeys, or I want to relax on a beach.
Say it slowly, then say it again. Repetition builds fluency.
Now, a simple routine for this week using today's story.
This routine is small, calm, and realistic.
Day 1. Listen to this story again and only focus on the big picture. Late, airport, plane, arrival.
Day 2. Choose 5 phrases and repeat them 10 times. Wake up. Time to go. We're late. Don't worry, we made it.
Day 3. Tell the story in 5 simple sentences.
Day 4. Write your own travel checklist in English. Passport, ticket, charger, snacks.
Small steps.
Strong English brain.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
If you had a flight tomorrow, what 3 things would you pack?
Write your answer in the comments using I would pack.
For example, I would pack my passport, my phone charger, and snacks.
If you enjoyed this story lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the English Brain.
And if you want a part 2 in Costa Rica, tell us in the comments, part 2, please.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep going, step by step. Your future English self is getting closer every day.